Motherboards connect all components, ensure stable performance, enable upgrades, support fast data transfer, and maximize gaming PC efficiency and reliability. Today's video is about top 5 best motherboards for gaming PCs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at micro-centered gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. The AMD Ryzen 7 9700X paired with the Asus TUF Gaming V850 Plus creates a powerful, future-ready desktop platform built for serious gamers and creators. The 8-core, 16-thread CPU reaches up to 5.5 GHz boost, delivering smooth performance in demanding workloads and easily pushing 100+ FPS in popular modern games. With DDR5 support, a large 38 MB cache, and a 65W TDP, it balances high efficiency with strong performance, while the unlocked design gives overclocking enthusiasts extra headroom. On the motherboard side, the Asus TUF Gaming V850 Plus stands out with PCIe 5.0 support, Wi-Fi 7, and robust DDR5 memory capacity up to 256 GB. Its 14+2+1 power design ensures stable delivery even under heavy loads, making it ideal for AI workloads, gaming, and multitasking. Storage flexibility is excellent with multiple M.2 slots, including PCIe 5.0, plus advanced cooling solutions that keep temperatures under control. Overall, this combo is a high-end, forward-looking setup offering excellent stability, ultra-fast connectivity, and strong upgrade potential for next-generation computing needs. Now our second product is Asus ATX Gaming Motherboard. This Intel LGA 1200 motherboard is designed to fully unlock the performance of 11th Gen Intel Core processors, making it a strong choice for gamers and power users who want stability and speed. With support for 2x2 tri-band Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, it delivers fast, low-latency wireless connectivity for modern gaming and streaming needs. The board's AI-powered features such as AI overclocking, AI cooling, AI networking, and AI noise cancellation help optimize performance automatically, making system tuning easier even for less experienced users. Its robust 14+2 power stage design with ProCool 2 connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors ensures stable power delivery for multi-core workloads and overclocking. Thermal performance is also well-engineered, featuring VRM heatsinks, an L-shaped heat pipe, and multiple M.2 heatsinks with a backplate for efficient PCIe 4.0 SSD cooling. For networking, dual Intel 2.5 Gb Ethernet with Asus LAN Guard and Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX210 provide fast and secure connectivity. Overall, this motherboard offers a balanced mix of performance, cooling efficiency, and next-gen networking for high-performance gaming and productivity setups. Our third product is ASRock ATX Gaming Motherboard. This AMD AM5 motherboard is a well-balanced, next-generation platform built to support Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, making it a solid foundation for both gaming and productivity builds. Its 8+2+1 phase power design with Dr. MOS ensures stable and efficient power delivery, allowing the CPU to perform reliably even under heavy workloads. With 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting speeds beyond 8000 MHz OC, it offers excellent memory performance for demanding applications and future upgrades. PCIe 5.0 support for both the graphics card slot and a blazing M.2 slot ensures ultra-fast data transfer and readiness for next-gen GPUs and storage devices. Additional M.2 and SATA ports provide flexible storage expansion options. Thermal performance is also well handled with dedicated heatsinks, including an M.2 bottom heatsink for SSD cooling. Connectivity is modern and fast, featuring Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, and Realtek 2.5G LAN, along with HDMI and DisplayPort for dual display setups. Overall, this motherboard delivers strong performance, future-ready features, and reliable stability, making it a smart choice for high-performance AM5 systems. Now number 4, GB Gaming Motherboard. This AMD socket AM5 motherboard is a strong, future-ready platform designed to support Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, making it suitable for both gaming and high-performance productivity builds. It delivers a solid foundation for users who want long-term upgrade flexibility within the AM5 ecosystem. The 14+2+2 power design ensures stable and efficient power delivery, allowing CPUs to perform reliably even under heavy workloads or sustained gaming sessions. Combined with DDR5 support across 4 DIMM slots, the board is capable of handling high-speed memory configurations for smoother multitasking and improved system responsiveness. For storage and expansion, it includes PCIe 5.0 support along with 3 M.2 slots, offering excellent bandwidth for next-generation SSDs and fast data access. Thermal performance is also well considered, with VRM heatsinks and M.2 thermal guard helping maintain lower temperatures during intensive use. Connectivity is modern and practical, featuring USB-C, sensor panel link support, and PCIe 5.0 readiness for future GPUs and peripherals. Overall, this motherboard provides a balanced mix of performance, cooling efficiency, and next-gen connectivity, making it a reliable choice for modern AM5 PC builds focused on speed and stability. And our last choice is Inland Micro-centered gaming motherboard. This AMD Ryzen 5 4500 paired with the Gigabyte B550MK motherboard delivers a solid and affordable gaming and productivity setup for AM4 users. The 6-core, 12-thread processor with a boost clock up to 4.1 GHz offers reliable multitasking performance and smooth gameplay, especially when combined with a dedicated graphics card. With 11 MB cache, 65W TDP, and unlocked overclocking support, it provides good efficiency and upgrade flexibility. The included Wraith Stealth cooler adds convenient out-of-the-box cooling. On the motherboard side, the B550MK provides a stable foundation with support for Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series CPUs, along with dual-channel DDR4 memory up to 128 GB. Its 4+2-phase digital power design ensures stable operation for daily use and gaming workloads. With PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, and multiple SATA ports, storage and expansion options are strong for its class. Additional features like SmartFan 5, RGB Fusion 2.0, and QFlash Plus improve usability and customization. Overall, this combo is a dependable and budget-friendly solution for smooth 1080p gaming and everyday computing performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.